Okay, so I made some couscous, and I shredded the lamb, and I added the couscous in with the lamb stew, and that's pretty much done. You want to make sure that it doesn't stick. So I didn't put the couscous in there. I cooked it separately. And then I added the couscous to the lamb stew. It's really good. Now I'm going to serve it with the greens that I have here. Oops. Yep. The greens and some baked potato. And that's going to be like a little bit, let me put this aside, a little bit of an African cuisine. So, yeah. So we have lamb with couscous, with some greens, and some sweet potatoes. And that's what's going to be for dinner. All right, have a good one.